Good afternoon, Miss Langford. My name is Kendaway, and this is your persuasion extra credit video. Sorry, it might not be the greatest, but I'm going to try. Today, I'm going to talk about the Monroe's motivated sequence, as into like a speech or if you were giving a paper or a presentation, and that will be the concept that I will be talking about today. The steps you would take are attention. You grab the audience's attention. The next one would be the need. You establish the need for whatever the problem is, or if you're selling a product, whatever the product is and why you need the product. Then after that, it would be the satisfaction. So you basically would explain the solution to a problem. And then after you explain the solution to a problem, you use the visualization step, and that one shows the audience how you would benefit from a solution. So for an example, you would take a salesperson, say if you're selling a product, you would sit there and use visualization by saying how this product will benefit you over other products, and like how this product would work better in your home than compared to other products, and what, like, say if there's something better about this product than there is with the other product, then you would say your product does this compared to competitors that do this. And then the next step would be action, and that means you input action, like you go to action with it. So like means to act or anything you want to call along those lines. With the Monroe's motivated sequence, the first step would be getting the attention. You have to get the attention of the audience, so you have to say something that will grab the audience attention and want to pay attention to you. One thing you can do is you can start with a startling statement. You can start with a rhetorical question. The next step in Monroe's motivated sequence would be establish a need. So this would be after you have the audience attention, or like they're clearly paying attention or they're interested, you would sit here and you would establish a need. So you develop steps that they would need to change, or why they would want this to change, how this would change their lives. Basically, you just show them a problem and you fix it so they can get a visual aid. The next step in the Monroe's motivated sequence would be satisfy the need. To satisfy the need, you now outline or answer any solutions or problems or demonstrations to show the audience what your product does, how it will work, or say you're giving a speech, what you're trying to implement, how it will help you or help others or help our society today. So that would be considered as satisfying the need. The fourth step of the Monroe's motivated sequence would be visualization. So visualization is kind of like you see the future, so your audience can see experiences of people and then picture themselves in it. So if I was to be sitting here selling a product of clothing to someone and I were to say a bunch of things to make the audience interested, and they'd sit there and they'd try and visualize themselves in the clothing after they've seen examples or like facts or statistics or diagrams. The final step of the Monroe's motivated sequence would be action. So it is the part where you take action, and it's the last step to call to action for your product or presenting it with action. This could be followed by